Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we stop auto screen setting in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to stop your auto rotate screen setting, so how can you stop this setting in your Infinix phone? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now first of all guys we will on our phone setting to stop auto rotate setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Guys, click here. Again scroll guys, you can see guys your auto rotate screen. Guys, you want to stop, so you can see right side get this icon on your screen. Guys, you will have to click. So we will click on guys this auto rotate screen icon, and we will come back. So friends, you can see guys if you use YouTube and guys any another app, guys your phone screen will not rotate automatic. So like that guys, you can stop your auto rotate setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends, we will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video.